scroll down to the LickLooper. To explain what it's all about, let me show you the Track Select dropdown. It has a list of licks. You can either play just an individual lick, or play them all in order, or randomize them. When you are first starting out, get familiar with the licks first by playing them individually or in order. Once you're familiar with them, then randomize the list. Let's have the LickLooper play a lick so we can see what it does. Click Load. Let's set Track Select to only play CA. Click Play.
CA.
First, the lick name is announced audibly, in this case, CA. Then there is a pause, then the lick is audibly played and visually displayed, and you mimic the lick on your guitar. Here's a timeline of what's going on. Announce lick name, pause, play lick, repeat. So, when you're first starting out, you'll be mimicking on the repeat. As you get better, you'll play along with the initial lick, and as you get even better, you can use the pause to quickly preview the notes. There's even 2 more levels. When you're first starting out, keep your eyes on the visual cues. As you get better, ignore those and look at your fretboard, just listening to the audible cues. Couple comments about the other settings. I usually don't change them that frequently, but basically this controls how many repeats, and this has a couple of different announcement options. By the way, if you're messing around with settings and stuff and the LickLooper kind of loses its mind for a minute, just refresh the page. Also, once you complete going through the entire list, the lap counter will increment, and then it will also count as a play in the stats. Okay, let's do a real demo. I'll make sure that it's set to random, and I'll preview the notes during the pause period like I mentioned, and I won't look at any of the visual cues. I'm going to be keeping my eyes on the fretboard. Let me get my pick ready here, and we'll load it up and hit play.
DCGA. GECA.
And then, pause. So that's how it works. You get the idea. You just keep going through the random list and do it until your lap counter hits 1, and then it counts in the stats for the day.